Poached eggs are the cause of so much debate. When they're cooked just right, they spill their golden, yolky joy all over the place, adding rich creaminess to any meal. But how you nail that epic reveal can be a minefield of tips and tricks. So this is how I like to poach my eggs. No swirling, no fuss. And I learned how to do it from an Aussie egg farmer. You can poach a whole lot of eggs all in one go, which means you can feed the whole family all at once. Simply fill a large flat fry pan 3/4 of the way up with water, bring it to a simmer and then turn the heat off. One at a time, crack your eggs gently into a small bowl and tip them into the pan, allowing the white to set slightly before tipping in the next egg. Make sure the eggs are fully submerged and then cover them with a lid for 3 minutes or until the whites are set to your liking. Scoop them out and plate them up, ready to break open their oozy, gooey golden joy. And that's it. Perfect poached eggs in a huge batch every single time.